Here I have INFINIX Smart 7, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. To do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button, this with like camera icon, screen recording. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can record device sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change picture quality, you can show tabs, and you can also enable do not disturb while recording. So to start recording, just tap on this button once and recording starts immediately. So now we can record our screen. You can also pause this recording by tapping on this pause icon, then you can play it again. And after you're done recording, tap on this red button here, and after that the recording will be saved to the gallery. Okay, it could be AI gallery, I guess. To the album called All Photos. Okay, could be in all photos. So here is our recording. We can record our screen. You can also pause this record, play it again. And from here you can like and after recording starts immediately. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your recording, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.